Namaskar. I'm Anika Datta, founder and CEO of Annie Entertainments. Annie Entertainments presents Sharanya Season 5 and Aqua Divine Season 2 this year. As you all know, Sharanya every year we work with different sectors of women empowerment. We started with acid victim and then we pursued with real domestic violence survivor, and then we worked with trafficked women where we got her from Jharkhand, the real ones. We always work with the real ones who come on the stage and describe their own stories. And we had a different kind of fashion show, like women in uniform and non-uniform. So where the IPS officer worked with a media person, although both of them do the same kind of work more or less, but someone wears uniform and someone doesn't. So women have different, prospects in today's society. Yeah, this year, as you all know, the World Cup, Women's World Cup is coming up soon. So that's the reason we selected this particular cause, Women in Sports, where we will be having 2 women achievers and 1 male achiever, because we all know women and men always go hand by hand, and then only the society is complete. And along with that, we have another fashion show, which is actually a glamorous fashion show that's called Aqua Divine. So this year we are going to come up with Aqua Divine with Sharanya, but then the Aqua Divine part we will be showing through water ballet. But then again, the water ballet will be a journey, a dance drama of a women's struggle. So this is the whole concept of Sharanya and Aqua Divine. It will be happening on 1st of November at AMC, 6 p.m. onwards. Stay tuned, and we are having Bollywood anchor Aman Verma and few Bollywood celebrities, which we will disclose the names soon, and lot of glamour and glitz and the real characters and the consulate generals as well. Join us on 1st of November at AMC, 6 p.m. onwards, and stay tuned for more information. Thank you.